PPAO organized mobile service fair, All-Ball-Jaw, Sanjon in Cherngtalay.
Siam Niramit, the show you cannot miss. Siam Niramit, the must-see show of Thailand. Contact your nearest travel agent.
PPAO organized mobile service fair, All-Ball-Jaw, Sanjon in Cherngtalay. A mobile service fair, All-Ball-Jaw, Sanjon, was held on March 15th at Cherngtalay Municipality Office in Ampur Talang. Governor Maitri Intisut opened the proceedings, which were attended by Chief Executive Paibun Upatasingh, Chairman of Cherngtalay Municipality Supat Atti Udompon, Deputy of Head of Cherngtalay Sub-District Administrative Organization Chairat Watrasang, and executives and council members from the PPAO. In his opening speech, Mr. Paibun informed the opening panel and the crowd that All-Ball-Jaw Sanjon, second of the fiscal year 2014, aims to encourage the members of the public to play a bigger role in the administrative work. The public will meet with executives, council members, and officials from the PPAO in Cherngtalay, SAO, as well as from other government agencies. Additionally, they will have the opportunity to use the free services provided by 54 agencies, which include health check, plant species donation, eye care and spectacles, veterinarian works, motorcycle services, haircuts, vocational training, and guidance on social, legal, and agricultural issues, among many others. Moreover, the fair will feature live entertainment performed by various Cherngtalay schools and clubs. The highlight of the event is the People's Forum, in which members of the public can voice their concerns to government agencies who will work out corrective measures based on this information. Thanking PPAO for organizing this event, Governor Maitri explained the core principles behind All-Ball-Jaw Sanjon to be: Number 1, people-centered administration. Number 2, PPAO as liaison unit, organizing all agencies to provide the services today. 3, inclusively, whereby the community is invited to take part in the public work. And 4, group consciousness, which means the whole community will benefit. The governor ended by urging the public to heed group consciousness in their undertakings and thanked officials of the PPAO, Cherngtalay SAO, and the attending crowd.